Bruce Kilgore's legendary Nike Air Force 1 has consistently pushed boundaries since its debut over 4 decades ago. More recently, the silhouette has become a key player in Nike's sustainable Next Nature initiative. To be included in the Next Nature collection, footwear must incorporate at least 20% recycled materials by weight. While several other Nike sportswear icons have joined the eco-friendly movement, few rival the Air Force 1 low in impact or popularity. Its latest iteration arrives in a delicate soft pearl and particle pink colorway, tones that also recently appeared on the beloved Vomero 5. The upper features muted pink shades for a subtle, versatile look, while the midsole embraces a vintage-inspired, faux-aged finish that pairs seamlessly with the pastel upper. As with other Next Nature offerings, the sole unit likely contains the bulk of the recycled content. Take a look at official images of the latest particle pink Air Force 1 below. Expect a release on Nike.com ahead of the holiday season.